welcome back. So we did see a good amount of sunshine as we made our way through the day today. We have warmed up nicely once again with the sunshine, a nice southwesterly wind, which is a mild and dry flow. Let's take a look at the tower cam time lapse. This is our regional west weather camera in Scottsbluff. Just a few clouds this morning, and then clear skies throughout the entire day. More clouds later on to the afternoon, becoming partly to mostly cloudy going into the evening hours. But we are staying mainly dry across the region. High temperatures for today at 49 degrees at Scottsbluff and at Kimball. A little cooler as you make your way further off to the east. 46 at Sydney, near 40 at Shadron Alliance and at Gordon. Here's a look at the temperatures right now. We're near 30 out towards Scottsbluff, Bridgeport, Sydney, and Oshkosh. Upper 20s at Hemmingford and Alliance, and 31 at the Gordon area. Here's a look at the wind speeds. They have flipped around to more of a southerly direction the last couple of hours. So with that southerly wind, it is a nice warm flow. Wind speeds are pretty light across the region until you make your way out toward the Laramie area. Wind speeds for our Nebraska counties are around 5 to 15 miles per hour with the breeziest conditions into the higher elevations further west. Now, here's a look at the satellite and radar. We do have just a little area of clear skies south of Scottsbluff, but most everybody else has partly to mostly cloudy skies across the region. So high pressure to our south is in charge of our forecast. Nice warm sector setting up, warm front off to our north. There's that flow from a southerly or westerly direction, and our next weather maker is going to be this low pressure system with a little bit of moisture possible for the early morning hours on Wednesday. But until then, staying mainly dry. Here's a look at our skycast with the clouds overnight, but enough of that southerly wind to really keep temperatures up with lows in the mid to upper 20s. And then for the day tomorrow, there's a slight chance of some rain showers up north. Most of us staying dry, though, with highs into the mid-40s to lower 50s, depending on where you are. And then more moisture works its way in for Wednesday. This is around 2 to 6 a.m. As you can see, some light snow overspreading the area. Starting off into the mid to upper 20s. High temperatures for your Wednesday will be into the mid-30s, as any of the snow showers will quickly start to dissipate by later on into the afternoon. But the wind has flipped around to the north, so we're cooler. Let's take a look at the latest snowfall potential, and it does not look like much from this one. Wednesday night through Thursday morning, maybe a band of 1 to 3 inches from Scottsbluff and points off to the north and to the west. But it looks like the bulk of the moisture is going to miss us, say around west of Lusk. Could pick up around 3 to 6 inches from this one. Most everybody else, just some light snow showers. We'll see if there's a lot of melting on contact. I think that's what's going on with this system. Could be snowing, could be melting on the roads, though. This low pressure system really is skirting us off to the south as we go through the overnight Tuesday into Wednesday. Cooler air with a northerly wind on Wednesday, so temperatures down there into the mid-30s, but more high pressures in charge of our forecast, flipping the wind back to the south and giving us more sunshine to round out the work week and then go through the weekend. Here's the forecast for tonight. Partly cloudy skies, slightly mild, mid to upper 20s across the region. Now, there's a very slight chance of some rain showers, especially into the northern panhandle tomorrow. Most of us should stay dry, partly to mostly cloudy skies, windy but warm. Temperatures in Scottsbluff, surrounding communities could top the lower 50s with mid to upper 40s most everywhere else. And then we got rain or snow showers likely for your Wednesday, and it will be a little cooler as that wind flips around to more of a northerly direction, and that cool air will get temperatures down into the lower 30s into the northern and southern panhandle. Valley locations like Scottsbluff will be into the mid-30s. So here's a look at the extended forecast as we go through the day on Thursday. We do have sunny skies and a high of 43, gradually warming up again for Friday, a high of 48, and mostly sunny skies. Partly cloudy for the weekend, even warmer, 52 on Saturday, 55 for the day on Sunday, and a slight cool down for the day on Monday, but we'll get that cool down with little, if any, moisture chances as mostly sunny skies for the Martin Luther King holiday and a high of 48 degrees. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. For some in central New York, that recent warm spell has been great. But for others who rely on the cold weather to make their money, they need cold temperatures. And at ski resorts, the warmer weather is